how to enable secure boot on an ASUS laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable secure boot on your ASUS laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to actually enable secure boot, we need to get into the BIOS of our ASUS laptop. And to get into the BIOS, we need to first get into recovery mode. And the easiest way that I've found to do that is to simply go down to the Windows Start button, select the power icon, and then before we select restart, hold down the shift key on your keyboard and then select restart and just continue to hold down the shift key until the screen turns blue, and that means that we will be in recovery mode. So just keep holding down the shift key. You'll see the ASUS logo again with please wait. Continue to hold the shift key. Once you see the screen turn blue and it looks like this, you can let go of the shift key. And now we just need to go into troubleshoot and then go into advanced options. Once in advanced options, go to UEFI firmware settings and then select restart. And this will reboot us into the BIOS on our ASUS laptop. All right, so once you boot into your BIOS, it may look a little bit different depending on your ASUS laptop. And what we're looking for is anything that talks about options or settings for security or for boot, things like that. So for mine, it's going to be in the advanced mode, which is displayed in a menu down here in the bottom right. And all I need to do to get in there is select F7. So I'm going to select F7 on my keyboard. It's going to bring up a new menu. And all I need to do is go to security. And under security, I'll see secure boot right here. I'll select that. And right now, as you can see, secure boot control is currently disabled. If I select that, go to enable. And once I select enabled, I have now enabled secure boot on this laptop. But before I can do anything, I need to save it. So over here in the hotkeys, to save, I need to select F10, then confirm I want to save these configurations, select OK. So now I have saved my BIOS with secure boot enabled. So it's going to reboot the computer again. And this time it'll go right to the login screen, and I have now enabled secure boot on this laptop. So once we get rebooted, we can confirm if secure boot is enabled by simply going down to the Windows Start button, type system info, and you'll see system information come up. Go ahead and select that. And under the system summary, right here where it says secure boot state, it says on. So we know and we have confirmed that secure boot has been enabled on this laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.